guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Wanted to bring you guys a dedicated must-do deals video strictly for online deals. I know a lot of us are on stay-at-home orders and still trying to get some great savings. So CVS does have some good deals online, but if you've tried to place an order online before, the deals do sell out extremely quick. So what I would recommend is wake up really early on Sunday morning, like 5 a.m. or something. Check what CRTs you have on your card. Send the ones to your card that you want to use and place your order as soon as you can. Usually by the time I check at 8 a.m., a lot of the deals that I want to do are already gone. So what I'm going to do moving forward for you all is have a separate must-do deals video for the in-store. That way, if you are wanting to go in-store and stock up on some items, you can use the instant coupons that'll print at the red box and get the deals in-store. And then I'm going to have this separate video for you for the online deals. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. When I post any new deal videos, you guys will be notified. So I have 7 great online deals that you guys can take advantage of starting on Sunday. Also, there is a freebie and a moneymaker, which I'm super excited about. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. For chic disposable razors, they are on sale next week for just $5.99, and we're getting a $4 digital coupon. So if you purchase one using that digital coupon, you're going to pay just $1.99. Definitely a great price point, and that works for either the men's or the women's. So Covergirl is on sale. Buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. This is the freebie and moneymaker depending on what CRTs that you have or what you're going to get on Sunday. So what I'm going to do is pick up one of the Covergirl concealers for $7.79 and one of the eyelash curlers at $5.49. If you still have the $3 Covergirl Face Digital, make sure you clip that and send it to your card. Then if you have a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, send that to your card as well. You'll pay $7.28 out of pocket, get back the $8 extra buck, so final cost is free and a 72-cent moneymaker. Mitchum deodorant is available online. It's going to be on sale for $2.99. If you have a $1 off any deodorant CRT, make sure you apply that to this deal. You'll pay $1.99 out of pocket. Now, if we get the digital coupon available, there is a $2 coupon coming in the Sunday paper. So if we do get a digital, the final cost would be completely free. Colgate mouthwash. Here are going to be some oral care deals. I'll get into some toothpaste as well. This is on sale. Buy 1, get a $2 extra buck, and it is a limit of 2. So what you can do is pick up one of the Colgate mouthwash on sale for $3.99. If you have a $1 off any mouthwash CRT, definitely send that to your card. You'll pay $2.99, get back a $2 extra buck, so final cost is 99 cents. If we get the $1 digital coupon, we are going to be getting one in the Sunday paper, then it's going to be completely free. So fingers crossed they start giving us some more digital coupons, especially with all of the stay-at-home orders. That way we can still get some great deals and be able to stock up on some essentials right from our home. So fingers crossed on that. For some toothpaste, we are getting a $1 send to card coupon for this. How you know is that little black down arrow that's listed right in the CVS weekly ad. So the Colgate is on sale. Buy 1, get a $1.50 extra buck. It is a limit of 2, so you can do this deal twice. What you could do is pick up one of the Colgate toothpaste. They're $3.49. Use that $1 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.49, get back a $1.50 extra buck, so final cost is just 99 cents. Not a bad deal, especially for online, to be able to get some toothpaste. And for those of you that prefer Crest toothpaste instead, there is a great deal on Crest, which is even cheaper. So they're on sale, buy 3, get a $4 extra buck, and this is a limit of 2 as well. So what you could do is pick up 3 different Crest toothpaste that are going to be included. They're all $3.99 each. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon from the current week that I have sent to my card. Then we are getting a $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon on Sunday, as you see again notated right in the app. If you have a 3 off of 12 toothpaste, toothbrush, and oral care CRT, make sure you send that to your card. You'll pay $4.97. You get back the $4 extra buck. Final cost is just 97 cents for 3 tubes of toothpaste, or about 33 cents each. So definitely a great deal for some toothpaste. And here is a great hair care deal if you guys need some more shampoos or conditioners. So any of these, as you see in the photo, are on sale. Buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So the cheapest and best deal that you can do would be the Pantene. They are on sale 3 for $15, and these are the larger bottles. It's not the smaller bottles, so that's always a plus. So they're on sale 3 for $15. We have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon. Make sure you send that to your card. If you have a 3 off of 12 or a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT, apply that as well. You'll pay $9, get back the $5 extra buck. Final cost is $4 for all 3 bottles, or about $1.33 each. Definitely not a bad deal because, again, these are the larger 20-ounce bottles, not the smaller ones. And to get it for just $1.33 online is a great deal. This also tracks towards CVS Beauty. So if you do all of these deals with the Covergirl deal as well, you'll be right at about the $30 mark. So depending on where your beauty bucks are, you may be able to get back an additional $3 beauty buck. So those are all of the online deals that I have for you. There may be a couple more available, depends on what unadvertised deals become available again as well on Sunday morning. So check back on my channel. I will have any updates for you guys on Sunday morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. I will be posting the must-do deals for in-store videos as well in the next couple minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.